Are your students unfocused in the classroom?
Well, we have the product for you. Focus Fidgets provide focus in the classroom by offering students an outlet for stimulation that is convenient and not distracting. How do Focus Fidgets work? Focus Fidgets are interchangeable fidget toys that easily attach to the edge of a table or a desk in a classroom in order to promote focus in class. Why should I buy Focus Fidgets? Focus Fidgets promote concentration, sensory learning, stress relief, and more. They are also very easy to apply and remove. To get yours now, call 262-271-3611 or email focusfidgets at focusfidgets.co@gmail.com. Get yours today.